What's up, y'all? Tay here with Street Approved Custom. Back on the Diablo. It's very tight, very tight in this thing, man. But yeah, I gotta take some more of this back interior apart in order to remove the quarter glass. So this thing needs a noise deadening. All right, so I'm gonna get this thing out here. Kind of glued in right there. But they just got this thing in there. It's like a little thread that you just push into. So that's the thing that's holding that piece in. Just come straight up. How did I know that? I didn't. I just kind of figured it out. It's kind of common sense. When you start taking these cars apart, you kind of can feel and know what does what. You just gotta be cautious. That's all. You just gotta be super cautious. Super cautious with this stuff. I'm gonna go over here real quick because I need to release this side in order to get this side. Man, I'm kind of unstuck because look at this. There are freaking rivets coming through the trim of the glass up here, which that doesn't make sense. I don't know why it would be rivets coming through the glass up there. So I know that's the trim there, and the way this glue is, you just gotta heat it up real good, and it will come out. So I'm gonna try to heat this thing up and see what's going on. See if I can get this glass up out of there. But that's crazy. That's really bugging me though. Is that the rivets is Look, guess about to find out.
remove the quarter glass. Of course, the glass got cracked up pretty bad, more than it already was. Trim came out nice. It just got like a lot of glue in it, had to clean off, but it didn't get bent, nice and straight, so we can still save that. And now we just set this right here and go ahead and get to taking the quarter panel off. So those rivets that were coming through the trim, quote unquote, I thought, those were the rivets that was holding the quarter panel on. Thank goodness, because I was really starting to get a little nervous there about those rivets. So we're gonna get all these drilled out and get moved out, you know. And also this quarter panel seems sealed completely all the way around. Yeah, it was supposed to be removable originally, so whoever restored it recently, or in the past, not recently, but in the past, whoever restored it decided to seam seal it for some reason. You're supposed to just be able to bolt this thing on and bolt it out, and the only thing that would be hard to get out would be these rivets right here behind the quarter glass, but no big deal. We're just going to get this thing removed, and it's going to take a little chisel, hammer, a rubber mallet to get this thing to be worked up out of here without bending it. That's going to be a task in itself, but hey, let's get to it. So if you have been watching up until this point in the video, you can see I have been completely struggling to get this latch off of this quarter panel. At this point, I'm completely thinking my life choices and why did I ever become, you know, a body tech or a painter. But you know, it is what it is. We're just gonna get this thing off of here and move forward. But that latch caught me off guard. We got it off and was able to remove the quarter panel without any hiccups, bending it or flexing it at all, so that worked out great. Alright y'all, Tay here with Super Customs. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what y'all think about the way with the Lamborghini Diablo is going. We found a lot of imperfections in it. And again, like, I mean, it's no big deal. It's just, I mean, all these restorations pretty much the same at the end of the day. If you can restore one, you can restore them all. It's just different techniques to different types of metal and stuff that you got to do, or plastic or fiberglass. It's just, as long as you know the steps to it, you can do it. So with that being said, man, we're gonna go ahead and close this thing out, bro, and come back tomorrow and hit it hard again. I'm also gonna do some more footage because I only did like the passenger quarter panel in this video, but I did the driver quarter panel the same day as well.
and then we still gotta like strip some one of the doors, and I think we're ready to start getting this thing really cleaned up, really detailed, and get it ready for epoxy primer, so then we can start our body work, start fixing and doing the fabrication that we need to do, repair and rust, all that stuff, and then we can finalize our body work and prime again, block it, prime again, block it. So yeah, it's gonna be black, it's gonna be nice and clean, and it's gonna be beautiful. Cannot wait to see this thing all finished up and done. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Peace.